morning, students. Same thing. Subject English. Composition and comprehension. Second part of your writing portion is composition, in which you have two topics to be learned. The first topic is to letter, and the second topic is to comprehension. It means the paragraph writing. What is letter? Letters are in different kind of letters. There are mainly two kinds of letter. It is called a formal letter and informal letter. The formal letter is also called an official letter. The formal letter is also called the official letter and informal letter. Okay. Formal letter means the letter we will write on our supremacy about complaint, request, and that kind of official letter that we write, it's called a formal letter. Informal letter means a letter that we write to our relatives, friends, that are the informal letter. What is the characteristic of the letters? Formal letter. It's always decided. The formal letter written in decided pattern. It means you cannot write with yourself. You cannot make yourself pattern into a formal letter. It's always in typing form. It means there is always a typing. Third is written in first language of English. It means the higher pronunciation and higher word of English used in this kind of letter. And the letters are based on to complain, request, or a thankfulness. These are the characteristics of formal letter. How to make a formal letter? Let's see that. Format of formal letter. Heading. The main part. Date. In which file you have to write behind that also. Reception. Address. Selection, subject, body of the letter, complementary clause, signature, and enclose. This is the format of a formal letter. It means there is heading, date, reception address, salutation, subject, body of the letter, complementary clause, signature, and enclose. of official or a formal letter. Which are the official topics of formal letter? The first topic is acceptance of invitation. It means somebody invites you for their social function and you accept the invitation and you inform him or her that you accept his or her invitation and then you write a letter. It is called acceptance of invitation. Acceptance of job offer. It means you are agreed to do job where you apply. Then acceptance of job letter. Resignation, it means resign letter. Appointment letter, it means somebody hired you for your job and an appointment letter. Interview call letter. They are inviting you for their interview. This is called an interview call letter. Complaint letter. You are complaining about irregularity of water supply, irregularity of street light. There is so many street animals in your area and you are complaining to your mayor or another palika. It is called complaining letter. Giving suggestion to your subordinate. It means you are giving suggestion to your higher person, to your boss. To thank letter. It means you want to thank someone, to your manager, to your boss, and thanking letter. Prediction of natural calamities like cyclone, earthquake. These are the natural calamities and predicted by the atmosphere. It's called an inquiry letter. If you want to go at somewhere and you inquire for railway station, bus station, airport, aeroplane, this is called an inquiry letter. Order. Somebody hire you and they order you that do that, do that. That is called order letter. Reply of complaint letter. It means you complain to somebody and they are giving you reply. It's a reply of complaint letter. Cattle fences. There are so many cattle, street animals on the road, and you have to look after that if the cattle are belonging to you. Reference letter. It means somebody appointed you in your job and you have to take a reference from somebody. It's called a reference letter. Collection letter. Take money from the another person. It's called a collection letter. that are the promotion letter. Demotion letter, it means your post decrease, like manager to clerk, principal to teacher. That is demotion letter. Suppose notice, it means you notice to someone. That is called notice letter. Which type of formal letters to be asked in the examinations? Letter of inquiry, order letter, it means you order to a person who manufactured the product. Letter of complaint, reply the complaint letter, promotion letter, sales letter, collection, it means recovery of the fund, official letter, and company letter. That are the kinds of letters. Now, the main part of letters are the formal main parts of the formal letter. First of all, how to write a date. Write a date like June. If it is an 17th July 2020, don't write like that. It's a wrong method. It is the only right method. Then how to write a celebration? Dear sir, Oma must be put there. Respected Sir or Madam, dear Sir or Madam, you can write like that. Complimentary clause. Yours faithfully, put a comma there. Yours sincerely. Your truly, and enclose. Then I told you that enclose means the letter that we join with the main letter. Like sometimes we join biodata, photograph, mark sheet. That are the enclosure. Then we will see into next video that how to write the letter.